Hey Unifans, welcome back to Kittie, and so today I'm going to be making a cooler paper airplane that I learned how to make from watching a YouTube video that I watched, I don't know, but I'm going to try it out and see if I still remember it, of course, so yeah. Anyways, so let's get on with the video, and it's gonna be small, tiny, I promise. Bye! So I'm gonna be using these small pieces of paper. I know they kind of look like you know, what do you call those again? Sticky notes, yeah, sticky notes, but they are not. They're pieces of paper. So I'm gonna use a pink one. I'm gonna put the rest back. So let's just put them back right over here, just like that. And stick it back in. Okay, never mind. We're gonna put that. So I'm gonna try and see if I still remember how to make. I remember you go like this first. You can follow along if you want. You don't have to use the exact same type of paper that I'm using. Just find a piece of blank paper. Okay, and then open it up, and then do another crisscross like that. Okay, open it up. Now fold in one side of it. Okay. And then the other side. Okay, so that should be kind of good. Now, oh yes, let me go like this. Okay, that sticks. And then it goes like this. Okay, stick it out. And then we're going to fold it inwards. And then we're going to come back upwards, but not fully. And then we're going to fold in these two triangles that it has. Fold it in. Now, just, okay, this is the most ugliest part that I always do. That I don't know how to get rid of. But okay, so now it's like that, and then I just kind of fold the wings a little, wingspan. Fold this one a little. So this is basically what I have. Mini is not always the cutest. So this one's a bit too high, so I'm gonna restart on that one. This time I'm gonna do a orange piece. Orange paper might give me more luckiness. I'm gonna roll in the luckiness. Okay. Good. Now we're gonna go and just kind of fold it out. Great. So it's like that. Now we're gonna do the exact same. And then just fold in inwards side and fold it inwards. I feel like it's still kind of too big. One side is larger than the other side. So you have to I just kind of be really careful. Okay. Now, it's actually kind of hard to do crabs. Woo! Awesome. Now it's the most awesome part that I always love to do. It's this part. And you roll it back up. Well, you don't technically roll it. Just go like that. Tuck in the parts from here. Oh no. This one's not going to be as perfect as I thought it would be. Like, look, it's going like this. Okay. Things are getting a little bit too... Oof. Real. Okay. Seriously? What is this? I mean, it does fly pretty well. Look. Here. Look. Okay. So I'm gonna go over here and... Ta-da! So I have this, and I'm gonna fly it right over there. Ooh, actually. Well, what about this one? I'm not sure. Yeah. Now I'm gonna make one in like a clip. Okay, so let's see if that would work. I hopefully it will. 3, 2, 1, click. Pew. Okay, I got it right here, right now. It is this pink one. It looks a little bit better, as you can see. Like, it's not like, as you can see, it's like there's still some gaps over here. And just look. I mean, the side part looks actually pretty good. It's better than these two. It's better than these two, like these ones that I made on my own. Look, this one's kind of like, look, on the bottom, it is so cranked up. And this one, look at the wings. Yikes. This one's so large. And this one's so small. You can't even see it. And look. So, like, these two aren't my favorite, but, like, this one's actually pretty good. You can see, like, they're both kind of equal. And on the bottom, they're not really much of the crank. So, I like this one, actually. And now, the best part that I like is I'm going to use some crayons or, like, something like that to color and make it more colorful. So, let's go get it. And boo! I just use I just use some markers. I'm just gonna use a black one. It's like, yeah. So I'm gonna just start coloring, or maybe not coloring, just like, make some words. So I'm definitely gonna say Kitty. This is actually really hard to write. My hands are like shaking. Kitty. God. Okay, Kitty. Okay, and I'm gonna say Unifan here. Okay, come on. Yes, we got it. Kitty. Dun dun dun. Unifans. Dun dun dun. And I'm gonna make some like hearts on Unifan's side. And have a mini star. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to fit a star. And then that's my star, and that is your heart. I'm also going to put a little cat. Cat, yikes. These cat ears looks like bear ears. And just, but yep, that's how it looks. Yikes. Ugh. Okay, now on the other side, I can't draw a cat, so I'm just gonna draw like meow, meow. Okay, that W doesn't really look like a W anymore. Like this is meow. And then inside, I'm gonna be using some. I'm gonna actually draw some like secret coded, like top secret jet or something like that. So like top secret airplane. Airplane. And then like right on the bottom, like right over here, I'm gonna pretend there's like boxes, maybe boxes of I don't know what things. Like I'm just gonna put like some of these X cross marks, and then I'm gonna just put some done. And then on the other side, I'm just gonna put some bases of whatever that is. Okay, that one doesn't really look big. Put some bases, things inside. I'm gonna put like kind of like a raft of some sort. And then I'm gonna put like, actually that's about it. So look at it, guys. Look, so I've got Unifans and with a jumbo heart and with a not really looking like a cat right on this side of the plane, and on the other side I have Kittie with a star right over there. I could barely tell that it is a star. And this side it has like a meow, which the W doesn't really look like a W. And on the inside there's like top secret. I'm not really sure if you can see it. And then on this side there's like top secret airplane or something like that. So like this is the airplane and this is like the top secret. And these are like the racks of top secret things. These are like boxes, or generally look like boxes, and these are like some bean bags, or I don't know what that is, which definitely does not look like some sort of bean bag. So that is basically my little jet. And do you guys follow along and make your own mini jet? Comment it below. See you next time. Bye.